Children, in this video we are going to learn about packing efficiency in simple cubic, body centered cubic, face centered cubic. So before starting to work out, now first we have to learn the formula for packing efficiency or packing fraction. So the formula for packing efficiency or packing fraction is equal to total volume occupied by the spheres in a unit cell by volume of the unit cell. This is volume of the spheres. This is the volume of the total unit cell into 100. This formula I have to learn. So after learning, now we are going to learn about packing efficiency in simple cubic. Simple cubic means cube, 8 atom in the corner. This is a primitive unit cell. Primitive unit cell means atoms present only in the corner. So this is the primitive unit cell. This is simple cubic. So here 4 atoms in the corners. Here also 4 atoms in the corners. So how will you find the packing efficiency? So consider the cube like this. These 2 atoms. This is the atom here and this is the other atom. 2 atoms. Consider A, B, this is C. The length of this one is A. The length of this one is considered as A and this also as A. Here 2 atoms. The middle of the atom to the edge considered as R as the radius. Here also from the middle to the edge considered as the radius R. R plus R, 2R. The distance A is equal to 2R. This distance A, R plus R, that is 2R. So, you can write volume of the cube with edge length equal to A into A into A. A into A into A. That is A cube. This is the volume of the cube with the edge length. Now, R is the radius of the sphere. So, from the figure, A, the distance A is R plus R, that is 2R. A is equal to 2R. From here, therefore, what is R? R is A by 2. Radius is A by 2. Now, volume of the sphere with radius R. Is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. That is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Substitute the value for this one. So A by 2 the whole cube. That is 4 by 3 pi A cube by 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 4 get cancelled. Therefore, pi A cube by 3 2s are 6. This is the volume. Volume of the sphere with radius R. Now next step. So for a simple cubic, 8 atom in the corner. So formula to find number of atoms in its cell is number of atom in the corner shared by 8. That is 8 by 8 is equal to 1. So for a simple cubic unit cell contains only one atom. Therefore, total volume occupied by the spheres in simple cubic unit cell equal to 1 into pi a cube by 6. 1 means that number of atoms, that is 1 into pi a cube by 6, that is equal to pi a cube by 6. Therefore, packing fraction is equal to total volume occupied by the spheres in the unit cell given by pi a cube by 6 by the volume of the unit cell with edge length, that is a cube into 100. So a cube get cancelled. Therefore 100 pi by 6, that is 52.36%, which is equivalent to 52.4%. Remaining vacant space, vacant. How will you find the vacant space? This much of space occupied by the spheres. So what is the vacant space? Vacant space is equal to 100 minus 52.4. That is the answer you are getting for the vacant space. Now this is the way for finding packing efficiency in simple cubic. Next, packing efficiency in body-centered cubic. Body-centered, this is a non-primitive unit cell. That is, non-primitive means not only in the corners but also at other positions. Here 8 atom in the corner and 1 in the body center. So formula applied here is number of atom in the corner shared by 8 plus number of atom in the body center shared by 1, that is equal to 8 by 8 plus 1 by 1 equals to 2. Now how will you draw? Yes, atom in the middle, atom in the middle, atom in the corner, atom in the corner. So given as A, B, this is C and this is G. Okay, this length is A. Then this R. So first in triangle ABC, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse, large distance. So we can write in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square. From this, AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. AB square length A square, BC square length A square is equal to 2a square, that is 2 root 2 into a. This is for AC. So AC is equal to root 2 into a. AC value. AC value. Next, in triangle ACG. 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 AG square equal to AC square plus CG square. So from this AG is equal to square root of AC plus CG. AC value already we got here, root 2 into A plus CG value A square. That is equal to this is the whole square, that is 2a square plus a square equal to root 3a square, that is equal to root 3 into a. AG is equal to root 3 into a. Now volume of the sphere, with radius r. Volume of the sphere with radius r. Already we have learned that formula, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube value root 3 by 4 into a the whole cube. Root 3 by 4 into a the whole cube. Okay, sorry. Here AG is equal to root 3 into a, that is AG. AG root 3 into a equal to 4r. R plus r plus r plus r. 4r. Therefore r is equal to root 3 by 4 into a radius. So that we are substituting here. Root 3 by 4 into a cube we are substituting. By simplifying we are getting the answer root 3 by 16 pi a cube. So for BCC, total number of atoms is 2. Already we have seen total number of atoms is 2. So therefore total volume occupied by the spheres in BCC equals to 2 into root 3 by 16 into pi a cube is equal to, by cross multiplying, root 3 pi a cube by 8. Therefore packing fraction is equal to root 3 pi a cube by 8 by a cube into 100. Root 3 pi by 8 into 100. Root 3 pi 100 by 8. Dividing we are getting 12.5. Root 3 value 1.732. Pi value 3.14 into 12.5, that is 68%. The spheres occupied by the unit cell. So what is the vacant space? vacant space is equal to 100 minus 68 percentage. That only gives the remaining space. The face-centered cubic unit cell we can see in the next video. I think children you are all clear with this for simple cubic as well as body-centered cubic.